Alright, welcome back to the channel where we have everyday tips for everyday tech. Today we're going to learn about how to create folders for your apps as well as turn off notifications for your applications. So we'll start by unlocking the phone and going to your home screen. Now you can create a folder just as I have right here. Very simple, very easy. So what you'll want to do is select whatever app that you want to put into a folder, and you'll hold down on it, and then you'll see that everybody begins to jiggle here. This will also allow you to rearrange your applications. So you can simply drag them to the place that you would like, and then lift off when you want them to stay there. To form a folder, you will grab the application and hover over the other application that you would like to be in the same folder, and then let go. And while they're still moving around, you can rearrange them within that folder or within the pages of that folder. And here we can also label the folder. And when you're ready to finalize the folder, you can just hit the home button and that'll finalize the folder, and you can access it at any time. It's quite handy when you have a group of applications that maybe you don't use all the time but you still want. Now to remove them from the folder, you'll open the folder, hold down on the app again, and you're going to drag it out of the folder. Now if you want to remove the folder completely, you'll need to remove all the apps out of the folder. So we'll grab this one and ta-da. That will take care of that. So next we will learn how to completely turn off notifications for your applications. So what you want to do is go to your settings here, and at the bottom, since I was already there, scroll back up. So typically you'll be brought to the top of your settings menu here, and what you'll want to do is scroll all the way down. What it'll do is it'll list out all the applications you have installed. You'll want to find the application that you want to turn off notifications for. Click on the application. Here you'll have another menu of options. You'll want to select notifications, banners, and badges, and then allow notifications. You can turn that off. That'll disable all notifications for that app. Even if you have notifications turned on within the application, it'll disable it. You can also choose which notifications you'd like to get. So you can turn on sounds or turn off and on badges, either one. And there's specific notifications for groupings, different stuff like that, and you can change how the banners will show up on your phone. Very handy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Hit that bell icon so YouTube will notify you the next time I release. Go ahead and leave a like and a comment. I want to hear what you would like me to cover next. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.